If you're trying to put a product on a website or have it in your business hub, but the product won't download from the catalogs for whatever reason, maybe you have to have a special contract and that's why it's not in there. But this is what you do. You make a custom product, and I'll show you my first step. In this case, it's an Under Armour half-zip jacket. What I'm going to do is go to the Alpha Broder website, and I'm going to download all of the front shots of the item that I'm going to offer on the website, all the colorways. Once I download those, I'll just put them on a folder in my desktop. And then in the admin side, I'm going to go to the products. And over there, I'm going to add product, add custom product. I'm just going to go ahead and put this in the apparel group for now. I'll probably change it later. And then I'm going to add a product name in here. And since I did the men's, it's already in here. I'm just going to switch this to women's. Go ahead, put the product code in there. And then I'm going to choose just one color. And then hit save. Now this is important. You need to select separate image for each color. Then you're going to choose a file wherever you save those to. Then you go and grab the first color. In this case, black. I'm going to upload the file. It's going to pull it up here, and under product view name, I'm going to type in front, and then everything else I'm going to leave okay. It's cropping the photo, but I'm fine with that to view on the website. Now you have to select color. If you don't already have some colors, you can make one. In this case, black, it's already in there. And then I'm going to come back over here, and this information here under brand, I'm going to go ahead and select it as Under Armour. It is in the list. And for this, I'll go back to the website and I'll just copy and then paste the description right in there from the website. And since you're making this from scratch, unlike other things, you're going to have to fill in these extra items. So that looks good. I'm going over to color, and you see the black one is there. I'm going to add the other colorways right now. Same thing. I've already done the men's, so I've already got all the colors that I need, and then some from previous things. So I'm going to pick the stealth gray here. I'm going to choose the file, open it up, upload. Everything's filled in just like it needs to be. You hit OK. And you do this for the rest of the colors. I just have 2 more. Okay, once we have that, we're just going to go right to views and decoration areas. I'm going to select screen printing and embroidery. And then I'll have to go in here and add an area. And the best thing to do here is just to find your own. I'm going to call it full front. If you do your own, then you'll be able to assign both screen printing and embroidery to it, which I'm going to do in this case. Next, I'm just going to move this little square here where I know the image is going to eventually hit the left chest. As you can see, I have both screen printing and embroidery going. Now, pricing, I'm just going to go ahead and skip this for now and go straight to sizing and define my own sizing. Once you do that, you turn the size field on. And this is where you have to decide what sizes you want to offer or what is being offered for your customer's sake. And by defining those sizes, you'll be able to adjust the pricing as the scaling goes up. So I delete out the ones I don't need. I'm going extra small through 3X in this case. At this point, I'm going to save and continue because when I jump up here to pricing, you're going to see where I can add the prices by SKU, by sizes. So first you select use SKU pricing, and then you edit SKU pricing. And so you see all 4 colors and you see all the sizes here. Now this is where you're going to put the final price that is going to end up on the website. So this is completely up to you. We're going to bypass any automatic pricing when we decorate and use these prices. I find that's the best because you can always go back here and make adjustments. So put these prices in. I'm just using this as an example. This will take a little time. Once you have those prices in there, then it's time to jump on down the line. Just keep working the list. Taxes, I already have that set. I don't need anything to do there. The sizing, we already have. Shipping and dimensions. I don't have a weight for this yet, so I'm just going to go ahead and throw a pound in there for now, and I'll probably adjust that later. And I'll also be able to put in the length, width, and height. Production. This is actually going to be embroidered, so it's something we've done before, so I've got ready to sew. Now this is bought from Alpha Broder, so I had to define that here since I made this custom product. This next thing here, cost by full SKU table. This is where I could put in the prices for what it cost buying it directly from Alpha Broder. And so I'm going to go ahead and fill that in now. Yours may be different. Now I'm going to come over to categories, and I'm going to go ahead and delete this out of here. I had one in there earlier because I'm going to assign it to a specific folder that I access when I put it on a website. Under images, I just have that front shot. I'm okay with that. Product specs, meta. You can fill out this if you want. Availability. This is where I'm going to make it available in the Business Hub and web stores, but it's not in any web store by default. Now, in this case, I have to select a particular store this is going to be sold in later with a embellishment on it. Custom fields, if you have any of these, I usually turn these off for the web stuff. And that's it. I'm going to save and continue. At this point, you'll be able to go to the admin on the websites, select the website, and then create a decorated product, and that product will be available just like any other product that was already in the catalog. I hope this helps.